Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with TCL 408. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, or basically any other app that allows you to scroll down. Now make sure you're on top of a page and click on the power key and the volume down key at the same time. This should make a screenshot, and now we'll be able to click on a scroll. It will begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. When it reaches bottom, click on the done, and here's a full page screenshot. Click on that OK button to save it in your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.